know, so my husband left me yesterday. Like, he left me. Where'd you go? Good morning, guys. I was just... Somebody, go on, go walk me in that mood. Go. Go on. Somebody, your school start already. Do not run. Y'all go drop. Alright, go on. I don't care. Go. When you drop me, no way you come back to me, you know. Guys, I'm like so frustrated right now. I mean, it's really not a big of a deal, but it kind of is. Wake up. B went to go start the car on, but when my car started, the heat not gonna turn on. My key have to be in the ignition for the heat to turn on, right? So B said, "I'm not gonna do it," which it don't really bother me as long as the engine is running. I don't mind it. B went to go put the freaking key in the car. So okay. I'm ready if it come outside now, right? If we go drop somebody off at school. And guess what? It don't open. The door is not open at all. At all. It don't open. Right? Keep walking, Samari. I'm not crossing the street. Go on. So, oh, I don't got no gloves on and my hands are freaking freezing. Guys, let me ask you know. Yeah, door not pulled. I tried all 4 doors. I tried the trunk. It's not open. Normally, it would just stay open. I don't know what B did or what happened, but every time when I put the key in the ignition, the door is always open. And even if I do that, right, I always leave when I'm in door, I'm like slightly pulled, just in case, because like you never know. So I know my mom did have a spare key for my car. Somebody press the button. She did have a spare key, so he was my stepdad. So me asked him if he could go by house and look for the spare key, cause it's not gonna work out. Like, I need the car, guys. B's supposed to take his freaking permit test today. Well, his road test today. We need the car for that. Like, Jaja. It's a good thing Samari school is like literally right down the street from the house. They don't gone left me, but just like make sure it's you cross the busy street, like the busy road. Go! One! I saw 9 o'clock. You cross the busy street, though, so I'm headed back home. This school is like right there, and we literally live like down that street here. Guys, we are at the road test. We are at the road test site area. Road test site area. So yeah, Karen go take his road test. B, are you nervous?
No.
You sure? You not say that to like? So yeah, I pull up. There's about 2 cars ahead of me, and somebody just pulled off. So he had a 2 o'clock appointment. It's 1:49 now. Somebody gonna say probably 2:15 and get the test started or whatever. So yeah, I mean drive B come because you know the learners can't drive themselves. I mean I take on my license or whatever, and B was like, rotted. Yeah, officially a license, obviously. But yeah. So do this road test and then you go pick up somebody, and I'm gonna go home and put some dye in my grandmother's hair because she something then I hear one die. That's Christ. Speed come back. I'm gonna see him and like instructor to do some stuff. Me feel like him feel. Me feel like him feel for true. Me feel like him feel. Oh God. Him feel. Me feel like him feel, guys. Me feel like him feel. Oh God. Ooh. And so we're back home now. B doesn't know the results of his test because I guess they changed it now since I took my test like a couple years ago.
I'm pretty fine. So
you're in good shape. I see you're saying, right?
Yeah.
You're in good shape. But in my fit check online, back in my days, but back in my days, like when I took my damn road test, one little piece of receipt come out, and then it'll tell you like what points you got taken off, and then you sign it and you're good to go, and you know if you like pass or fail right then and there. But I guess 5 o'clock you might have to go on the website then and check it. But B, how you feel? Like, what you think? You're good?
Yeah.
Were you nervous at all? I guess he said the instructor was like, "Oh, you've been driving," because B was just like, real cool.
Yeah. I'm reach a stoplight and go in that filter lane and see yellow hair come on and pull up to your light, pull on the light, and then the traffic on the side and pass. I'm just turn that lane and say, "Oh, you've been driving." Kind of say most people in carry guys stoplight. They actually stop. But the filter lane have the yellow. So must say they normally stop and wait like few road clear before they move.
But you not have to wait till road clear for move?
Jesus Christ. They must stop, but then they position the vehicle for turn. Then wait until the road clear before them position the vehicle plus for turn. So you man say a good thing me do is like say me position for turn, so by the time the road clear me can turn in and go take much of a second for me turn.
Oh, so kind of say it can't already turn little.
No, me position for turn, me no turn little. Alright, you know you guys stop light and you get the green and you can turn. But there is oncoming traffic on the other side.
Yeah.
So me position for turn, me just wait for the road for clear.
So you position for turn, mean you just put your indicator on?
No, I don't put the indicator on alone mean position for turn. You position the vehicle close. That's you can make your turn quickly.
Oh.
I don't like say remember you go down the road, you hurry up a turn, but oncoming traffic over the side and you have to wait for them. Remember say they normally have one stop sign, but once you depend green or whatever you depend, you position yourself to turn.
And when you say you're a Jamaican driver?
No, he asked me if I drive before.
But you have to talk louder so they can hear.
License.
They can't hear you.
Me say me have Jamaican license B.
T-man.
Huh?
And they say you're good.
Say, no, you're pretty fine.
You're pretty fine or whatever, so yeah. So we shall see in a couple of hours if B passed the road test.
Yeah.
Let me see paper. Road test results on the posted website after 6 p.m. But it's a weekend try 5 o'clock. So yeah, I'm about to go in now. Go to my granny here. I get something to eat. I slept like for 2 hours today. Like that nap was so good. Yeah. All right, guys, look more. Somebody has a field trip tomorrow for like a Christmas concert, our Christmas movie. So I'm getting this for him to wear to show little spirit. All these little like headbands and stuff look too girly, so I'm not bother with that. My grandmother did not find anything in Burlington, but I just grabbed 2 things of wrapping paper. It was like 3 of them for like $6. Not that bad. And I just got a pack of biker shorts. I like to wear them underneath my clothes when I go to work because I change off and wear scrubs. And like I don't like changing off and like just being my bare underwear in front of like the other co-workers or whatever. So I like to wear shorts underneath my clothes. So yeah. See if I can go to Dollar Tree now and grab some Christmas name tags. I'm gonna try and wrap some of my gift stuff that I have already tomorrow. So guess what I'm gonna buy for you wear tomorrow?
What?
You know what? Y'all create the excitement. What is it?
Lights.
It's a necklace. You're not put it on. No, I'm on. You put it on.
Really?
No, your Christmas sitting. You have to wear it. Go. Put it on.
Wait.
Come on, here.
I don't know what to do.
Look.
I see I do it, yes, but I don't know what to do. Huh?
They don't light up. Oh, they do.
Be that nice, don't. Some more, look.
This for me.
Alrighty, hello, my lovely people. How are you today? So as you can see, I'm dolled up. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. Oh my god. I'm dolled up. I'm about to go have lunch with my friend Erica, and as you can see, the sun is shining. Like December and outside about 50 degrees. Like I did salon come out tonight. Like I'm surprised, but yes, we are about to have lunch, you know, catch up, girl talk, and whatnot. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am back in the house, and I'm gonna just put some brown stew chicken on the fire. See there, yes, watch there. Brown stew chicken. I woke up this morning and seasoned it up. So yeah, I'm a little bit that now, and then we are gonna eat it with some white rice. And then I'll have some of this to bring to work tomorrow, because you know tomorrow is Saturday and it is back to work. So yeah. And then while this I cook down, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the Christmas tree. As you guys know, in like the first vlog or 2 vlogs ago, I started putting up the Christmas tree, but we couldn't find the rest of the decorations, so I'm about to finish it up. Went to the store yesterday and got some more. So yeah. Hungry, huh? I like food, yes. That's my drink, Samora. What? How you food?
Let me finish with that.
They can't tell when boy hungry, though. Guys, I was just saying I wanted a Christmas shirt to wear to like my job's Christmas party, and look what I found in Sam's Club. Like, it's not an ugly Christmas sweater, but like it's cute, and I think I can make it work. I really like this one, but I feel like this is the only one, and it's a medium, so I think I might have to just work with this one. Holly Jolly. This is not my damn kid. Like, oh, he just come with that whole look so. Jesus. Hi guys! So I am back. Well, not back. I just came in from work, had dinner, and now me and B are here trying to wrap up some Christmas presents.
You alone.
So what's this? What's this? What's this?
I'm leaving school.
Leaving. Oh guys, you know something? My husband left me yesterday. Like, he left me. Where'd you go, Samora?
I go crazy.
What do you mean you go crazy?
Hey, you don't know where I'm trying to go yesterday.
No, but tell them. Like, you left me. Guys, I'm at work, minding my business, and let me just see a text from him.
I'm gone.
Oh, I left. I'm on my way to Ohio. I said, what?
Yeah.
And try and call me and make me know what is what. Ask me if you go, you just get up and gone.
What? So you got
So B, if I did do that, it would have been a problem, though. Eh? Talk it true.
If me did do it, what me do?
If I just get up and say, oh, I'm going to the city. Like, but tell it, like I just told you, like I left. I'm like, I'm on my way to the city. It wouldn't be a problem?
Yeah, let's do that.
I always do that. Mikayla City?
No, but...
No, B, I'm not talking about like going to the mall or going to the store. That's different. That's like in distance. But like you left the whole freaking state.
Yeah, but... I guess...
I don't have a problem with you going anywhere, but like you could have called and be like, hey, I said somebody at... B, why you cut the damn candle?
I cut it, it broke.
Jesus Christ, it did?
Yeah. No, that candle,
anyways, but yeah, I don't have a problem with him like going anywhere, but like, just don't tell me, say you're on your way somewhere.
Hey.
You could have called me and be like, hey, somebody asked me if we follow them, we got Ohio, may I go.
Somebody be.
Alright.
I went to her.
It was an emergency or whatever, so like.
It was no emergency. I went to
shut up. It was a damn emergency, guys.
It was no emergency.
So he followed said person to Ohio or whatever. And I just like thought like his first sort of road trip or whatever would have been with his wife.
That's not my first road trip.
Or, you know what I mean? But
I've
whatever.
been all over this place.
You ain't been nowhere besides
with you.
here.
With you.
Whatever. Anyways. A stone! Look how nice me up on the vlog.
Oh, we are fight from morning.
How we fight from morning and you know, I first said me from morning.
On the phone?
Anyway, guys, I'm about to try to wrap up these boxes and then we bring them downstairs. I had to block my grandmother for coming in here because her gift was on the ground. Well, from Shanky or whatever. Well, from B. Oh, I know that his name is B for all of you guys, but like his real name is Samora, and like his little pet name with like his friends is Shanky. So whatever you guys want to call him in the comments, but I know so everybody I gonna still stick with B or whatever, but just to let you guys know. So you have Samora, Shanky, B. You can choose whatever you like.
Samora, Shanky, B.
So
Samora, Shanky, B.
Samora, Shanky, B.
Yeah.
You so.
Oh.
Anyways, so yeah, I had to block her from coming in. Like, she literally was about to push the damn door open. I was like, no.
Yeah, she said, I pay for coming in.
What is it?
She said, Kayla, why you black mirror for? I pay for coming in. Yeah.
And like, B was like, no, make sure you come. I'm like, no, and I said, you'll wait until Christmas so the person can know what they got. Like, I just want to be surprised, you know what I mean? And I was opening my boxes where I got, like, for B, or whatever's in one of these boxes. I just hurried up and brought it into my grandmother's room because, like, I don't even want him to know, like, what I got him. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's supposed to be a surprise. So yeah, I'm about to wrap up these gifts and then I got try to go to my bed early because I got a little warning today at work that like I need to be careful with like my punctuality, like clocking at the right time. Like I'll be clocking like probably 10 minutes late, 6 minutes late. I don't see what the big problem is. Like I'm still at work, you know what I mean? But they real punctual, so I gotta make sure I'm in the building clocked in at 6 a.m. So I'm gonna try to get out of bed earlier so I can leave earlier.
B, get the paper now. I just want to go sleep.
You want to go sleep? Are you there? Find you could wrap up a gift then? Yeah?
That's not my job. How if I wrap them up, you're going to know what is what.
But B, you could wrap up your gift to Granny. You could wrap up it's safe for some.
Granny, I know.
Yo, you
man.
You make me sick.
B, me no must give Granny.
Then who?
I can't give somebody else. I can give Granny something else. You know Granny prefer money.
No, you say once that you don't want nobody give you money or whatever, so
Yeah,
I want to give
somebody
money.
give her money. Me no want nobody give me no money for no gift. But she wants somebody give her money.
So yeah, cock up your foot then for.
Leave me alone. Get up.
Why?
Come on.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Oh my God, are you denying me on the vlog?
Yeah.
I hope when this lock up. Stop! I saw you treat me, you know.
So you not get kiss or like
No,
B, you have enough money for that or you just get?
A kiss?
I mean, you owe me.
Are you or me if anybody on anybody? Oh. Stop, Samara. B. Guys, look at all this tape that I had got at Sam's Club. It was on sale for like freaking $6 like a month ago.
I didn't give it because there's no people are buying.
So this is the gift wrapping tape, I think. Yeah, gift wrap tape.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, look at the wrapping paper that I got. So as you guys know that the Christmas tree is like silver and blue, so I wanted to like go with that theme. And I got like these, so yeah. So here is what we wrapped so far. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. And then this took Shanky forever to wrap because the paper type, like it wouldn't stick. And I wrapped 6 presents all by myself. Oh, here's the completed tree. I think I showed you guys. But yeah, don't mind the damn leaning star. But yeah, I'm about to go to my bed now, more than likely. I still have some Christmas stuff to get, and then I need to get like some boxes to finish wrapping up everything else. Good morning, guys. So it's 5:50 a.m. and I made it to work like on time. Like, I'm so proud of myself. So only hope I can keep this up. But I feel like I want to take a 5-minute nap and then start walking, and I'll be clocked in by 6 o'clock. I think I'm gonna do that because like I'm so tired. Like I really feel like I need to start going to my bed at 8 o'clock on work days, or 7:30. I don't know, something got to give. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later on when I get out of work. Hey guys, so I just came home from work and I'm gonna fry up some rice from yesterday with some chicken with some egg. Sit down. Best thing ever, fry back rice. So I'm gonna eat this now, and then I'm gonna try to go up and edit a video for you guys. So yeah, work was very tiring today. Like my feet are like on fire, but I saw you going like I finished like your last day. So yeah. So good. So I'm gonna finish eating, try to edit a video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.